Ninpo is a total system, not only one part of martial art, and not only physical techniques, all spiritual world and all technical world of physical, and I want to say everything included. Manner is most important throughout this martial art. Almost in the world, no manner. In the school, no teaching manner. Parents, no teaching manner, and kids, no listen the manner from a parents or from an adult. So now in the dojo, true traditional martial art, only teaching the true manner. And next important thing is good manner persons can use good techniques and without using Hwa killing techniques, because these true techniques is dangerous. So good heart is important. So that the student will use only Hwa self-defense and helping Hwa another person. True ninja is never showing the I am a ninja. Never say and never showing. Only just a usually person style. And only emergency time in the world come out and defense and create for peace. After peace disappear. So I am doing now. I am not ninja. I am a martial artist of Ninpo. But now is emergency time for the traditional martial art of Ninpo. So I have to create again, clean up what is the true traditional martial art as a Japanese culture. Sports martial art is good for health and good key energy too. Traditional martial arts are not so exciting because no title match and only pain. Well, pain and patient have to patient and need a long time for until the mastering. So usually persons don't want and cannot patient until success. Of course, very hard because have to save a life and have to defend from the assassin. Assassin is a specialist of kill. So how to defend without hard training? Most important, keep going anyway. Even though sports martial art doesn't matter, keep going. So you can understand what you are the purpose and what you are mission. If you can find out a mission and purpose, that's a true martial artist and can do the service for society and the world, and you are happy, you can die with happiness. My mission is spiritual with martial arts. As a martial artist, how to introduce, how to guide about the spiritual world. That is my mission.